Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see how to create app configuration in Azure. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the portal, and in here, I'm going to click on create a resource, and I'm going to type configuration, app configuration. And for all of you guys who don't know what is an app configuration, so Azure app configuration would allow the developer to store, retrieve, and manage access to the application settings in one place. Now it will be very easy to set up and simple to use from any application. It would give developer the ability to modify an application behavior on demand without having to redeploy the application. So what does app configuration offers? A fully managed service that can be set up in a minute. It's flexible key representation and mappings, versioning with labels, point-in-time replay of settings, comparison of two sets of configuration on custom-defined dimensions, enhanced security through Azure managed identities, complete data encryption at rest or in transit, native integration with popular frameworks including .NET and Java. So let's create it. I'm going to click on create. And I'm going to create a new resource group. You can name it anything. East US, I'm going to select standard tier. So if you want to see the full pricing details, it is the pricing here. So resources per subscription, unlimited 1 GB, request quota is this. So there is no SLA. For free, for standard, it's the cost would be $1.20 per day plus an app overhead charged at this per 10,000 requests. So I can create it because I do not have any application as of now. So I'm going to click on tags or resource name. So config. I'm going to click on tags, create. I'm creating it without the tags. It's initializing the deployment. Let's see how is it going. I'm going to pause the video and come back. Okay, it is created. I'm going to click on go to resource. So if you would see the options here and if you would click on quick start, so it will ask me what development stack would I like to use. So let's say it says create an ASP.NET Core app with Azure app configuration. I can use this. These are my access keys. I'm going to read write keys. These are read only keys. I can click on show values. I can click on hide values. I can scale up the size. If I'm free, I can go on to standard. This is the identity that it is using. System assigned managed identity enables Azure resources to authenticate to cloud services. For example, Key Vault without storing credentials in code. Once enabled, all necessary permissions can be granted via Azure role-based access control. And if it would be user assigned, then user assigned managed identities enable Azure resources to authenticate to cloud services. This type of managed identities are created as standalone Azure resources and have their own life cycle. You can go on to encryption tab. Azure App Configuration encrypts all data at rest. Enhanced data protection is available via the managed key feature. If you want, you can use that. We also have a private endpoint connection that we can create. And if you would have a look at the properties, it is the name, the resource type, location, location ID, resource ID, resource group, subscription ID, and here is your configuration explorer. If you would click on create, you can create a key value. Ops, click on apply. Feature manager. So these are different options that you and I need to explore when it comes to app configuration. So I'll make few more videos about it, and that's how we will explore the Azure app configuration. Then it's a new feature that is enabled by Azure. So I hope you liked this video regarding the Azure app configuration, which can be used to manage different Azure applications. So I'll make few more videos about it so that you can get more in-depth knowledge about this product from Azure. If you have any more queries, please mention them in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.